If you're dreaming of a high-paying tech job, love solving problems, and want to protect the digital world, then this cybersecurity roadmap might just change your life. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step path to break into cybersecurity, even if you're starting from zero. So before the video going to start, let's know about what is cybersecurity. So, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, servers, networks, mobile devices, and data from malicious attacks. It's about defending digital systems against unauthorized access, data breaches, hacking attempts, viruses, and other cyber threats. Now, let's go to our main agenda. Here's the step-by-step guidance for you. Stage 1. Understand the basics, Month 1. Concepts to learn. 1. What is cybersecurity? Why it matters. Point 2. Types of threats: malware, phishing, ransomware, DDoS, insider threats. 3. CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, availability. Point 4. Difference between black hat, white hat, and gray hat hackers. Point 5. Terminology: firewall, proxy, VPN, IDS, IPS, etc. Tools to explore: 1. VirtualBox or VMware. For labs: 2. Kali Linux, presenting testing OS. 3. Wireshark, packet analysis. Resources: free course, Google Cybersecurity on Coursera book, Cybersecurity for Beginners, by Rafe Miawisha. Try Hack Me. Pre-security path. Stage 2. Networking and System Fundamentals. Month 2 to 3. Learn networking, OSI and TCP, IP models, IP addressing, subnetting, DNS, DHCP, NAT, VPN ports and protocols, HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SSH, etc. Learn operating system. 1. Linux commands and permissions. 2. Windows security features, registry, group policy, etc. 3. File system and user management. Hands-on tools. 1. Cisco Packet Tracer, for networking practice. 2. Nmap, network scanning. 3. Netcat, IP tables, and firewall resources. Book: Computer Networking, a top-down approach. Try Hack Me, networking and Linux module. Stage 3. Cybersecurity domains. Month 4 to 6. Core domains to cover: 1. Network security. 2. Application security. 3. Endpoint security. 4. Identity and access management, IAM. 5. Cloud security, AWS, Azure, GCP. 6. Incident response and threat hunting. Introduction to: 1. Cryptography, symmetric, asymmetric, hashing. 2. OWASP Top 103. SIEM, security information and event management, tools and platforms. Burp Suite, web app testing, Metasploit framework, exploitation, Splunk, SIEM, Nessus, vulnerability scanner. Stage 4. Specialization tracks, pick 1 or more. Depending on your interest, choose 1 or more career paths. 1. Penetration tester, ethical hacker. Learn ethical hacking, shade topics, bug bounty platforms, HackerOne, BugCrowd, tools, Nikto, Hydra, John the Ripper, etc. 2. SOC analyst. Learn how to analyze logs and detect intrusions. Use tools like Splunk, QRadar, Elk Stack. Study MITRE ATT and CK framework. 3. Cloud security specialist. Focus on AWS, Azure, or GCP security models, IAM, S3 bucket security, VPCs, etc. Tools: Scout Suite, Prowler. 4. Governance, risk and compliance, GRC. Learn ISO 27001, NIST, GDPR risk assessments, policy creation, audit tools and documentation skills. Stage 5. Certification path. Optional but recommended: 1. Beginner CompTIA Security Plus, Microsoft SC 9002 Intermediate CHE, Certified Ethical Hacker, SSCP 3 Advanced CISSP, CISM, CISA. Stage 6. Build and practice projects to build. Set up a honeypot and monitor attacks. Simulate attacks in a lab using Metasploit platform for practice. Try Hack Me. Hack the Box. Port Swigger Web Security Academy. Blue Team Labs online. If you've made it this far, congrats! You now have a clear roadmap to launch your cybersecurity career, even if you're starting from scratch. Thank you for watching.
If you have any queries regarding this, you can drop a comment or connect with me on LinkedIn and on Instagram for your queries. I will love to help you and resolve your all queries. LinkedIn and Instagram links are in the description box. Go and check and connect with me. If you are job ready person and searching for a job, then you can also reach out to me for a referral in MNCs or in the reputed companies. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.